Zavardy Official. Click here to subscribe. Hey guys, this is Zavardy and welcome back to my channel. For this video, another unboxing that I'm going to share with, and this is USB portable air filter pump. It includes aquarium air pump and one hanging buckle. It has USB cable, it also includes air stone and air tube. To assemble, just attach one side of the hose onto the pump and the other side onto the air stone. Let's try then. Just submerge the air stone onto your aquarium and just connect the cable wire to your power bank by inserting USB jack to your power bank USB port. This air pump is using high-tech special internal muffler design, which make it super compact, super quiet, lightweight, and long service life. Power consumption of this pump is only 1 watt with flow rate 240 ml per minute. High energy saving. This air pump has its stable performance and is ideal for small and medium-sized fish tank plus oxygen. It is also perfectly suitable for using at all kinds of high-grade aquarium. You can also connect to an adapter and directly plug it. There are a lot to learn today, so stick with me. And as always, if you like this video or you learned something new, please like and subscribe with notifications. It really helps. And wait, and with this buckle, you can hang it over onto your aquarium. This air pump can add enough oxygen in a fish tank up to 13 gallons with long service life. With a good air stone, puts off a nice spread of bubbles at a pretty good pace, which will make your fish, betta, or danios or shrimp love it. It has a practical design, and the aquarium air pump is small, lightweight, and portable. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Hope you'd enjoy this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Shoutout Corner.